20th amazing year, Sans China, and welcome to the Sans Voice of 2024. And I also want to dedicate this song to all mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day.
I close my eyes and I can see the world is waiting out for me. Then I go by through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say it